So we
Sorry,
didn't
it's so
make
bright.
it through the snow. I need some sunglasses. We didn't make it through the snow because it's really late and it's really dark and cold. Yeah, really dark and cold. So,
No,
we
it's-
conquered a lot of stuff today.
Yes, look at my pants are all ripped.
Yes, she fell a lot. She fell.
She ran into me,
Yeah.
and I had to catch her.
fell a
Lenny.
lot. Dude, you really
You're
need
like
to
right on her face.
I'm sorry.
That thing is very bright. Yeah.
I'm trying to.
So
We're
me and Noe went to the tip
We're the
of
king
Tunnel
of
Rock.
the world.
Rock, look down there.
Yeah.
I'll jump down.
You can't
guys
really
can catch me.
No, let's not.
We're not
It'll be
down
like
there. We're not
nature.
down there. To
Okay, well, you can't really see, but
You can't?
we're pretty darn high, actually.
Well, when we get down, you can.
Yeah, it's really cold up here. Super cold.
You can follow us on our trail back down.
Sorry, it's so bright.
Yeah, the trail back down is kind of dangerous.
Yeah,
'cause
we-
I was really scary coming up.
We could.
Sheila said like 3 times.
We could take turns.
I was the first one up, by the way.
Hold on.
Okay, we're gonna try to get down. Noe's gonna catch everyone, especially Monique.
Oh, God. Oh, that hurt my toe. That was actually fun. It's actually
Really?
I flew.
I'm good.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah.
No,
Okay, good, Noe. Let me put this one back. It doesn't get. I hate how the splash doesn't get.
Hold on. Before you go down.
Before we go down.
Come back around.
Come back around.
Cause it's dangerous down there.
Noe.
How else do we get down?
Okay, we're following Noe, even though you can't really see it.
Reminds me that it's getting dark.
Yes.
Really dark. Like you can't even see on the
I
flat.
don't know where I'm going. Well, yes, it's covered in paper.
Yeah.
No, please don't do this now.
Just follow
Back your head. There's benches.
Just imagine.
Okay. Alright, so this is basically an audio commentary because you can't see anything. Well, I guess you could if I face it towards me, but
She needs to watch where she's going.
Okay.
okay. What are we doing? Oh my god.
Watch out.
Thank you.
Okay, wait.
There. Okay. I'm okay, yes. Place it down. I can't see. It's in my eyes.
Okay. Okay, step.
It's better.
Step.
It's
Step. Step. Step.
It's easier to get down than over there.
Yeah,
Good
definitely.
job. Good job. Good job, Noe.
Everybody? Not yet. Not yet. Okay.
It's not celebrate yet.
Hold on.
That way?
No, this way.
I was like, what?
You got it? You got it? You got
okay,
it?
yeah, I'm good. Okay, I'm good, yeah.
Hold on.
Okay, we're filming feet right now because...
I don't put out the feet on my face.
Okay, we're good now.
We're good. We made it. We were on top of that thing. Yeah. That's Scary Rock. Tunnel Rock.
Even though you can't see it, it's still good.
Come on now.
You still can't see it. No.
But it's pretty high, actually.
It's very high.
Like some survival.
Yeah.
Okay, well, today was...
An
It
adventure.
was an amazing adventure, and I actually did something worse. I think I might make it home.
Woo!
I still have a whole car ride to go. though.
We'll see if we make
It's
it.
fun, And yep. It's like adventure.
Okay, now we're gonna cut this off.
Yep. I'll make it home safely.
We'll make another video. Okay, bye!